In this video, I'll show you how to use TikTok for business marketing. First, I'll show you how to use TikTok as a beginner, and then I'll tell you different ways you can create your TikTok marketing plan and use TikTok for your business or brand. And if you keep watching this video until the end, you will also come to know about a secret strategy to get featured on TikTok homepage. So keep watching. Hey digital learners, my name is Rahul Dubey and I help people turn their digital presence into profit using various digital marketing strategies. This channel is all about tips and strategies to create profitable online business. So make sure to subscribe and tap on the bell icon so that you never miss an important update. Alright, now without any further delay, let's learn how to use TikTok for business. If you are someone who has never heard about TikTok before, TikTok is basically a combination of Snapchat or Vine and Spotify. In fact, a few years back, it was musical.ly where people would share lip sync or funny entertainment videos. But after its rebranding as TikTok, now it's one of the most popular and widely used video sharing platforms. On TikTok, people would usually share and consume 15 to 60 second short videos. Okay, before I discuss how to use TikTok for business, let's talk about the origin and why TikTok marketing matters. TikTok is a Chinese video social networking service owned by a Beijing-based company, ByteDance. It was founded in 2012, but the app was first launched for iOS and Android marketplace in 2017. And you will be surprised to know that currently it has over 500 million active users. In fact, in 2019, TikTok was one of the most downloaded apps, and this confirms that the user base of TikTok is quickly growing. And that's why it's the best time to build your presence on TikTok. 2 years back, if I would have told you, start marketing on TikTok, then you would have responded, "Are you crazy?" But now things have changed. TikTok is no longer just a platform for kids' fun. More and more businesses and brands are joining TikTok. And that's totally understandable because, as I say, market your products or services where your target audience is. So if your target audience is on TikTok, why not start marketing on TikTok? So how to use TikTok as a beginner? First of all, download the app and go through the basic setup process. The next step is to create a free user account and set up your profile before you start exploring. But before that, let me guide you with the basic navigation and user interface. The user interface is simple. You get these 5 navigation menu items in the bottom. On the home page, you get 2 options, Following and For You page. On the Following page, you will see contents from other creators whom you are following, while on the For You page, you will see contents that are similar to your taste. For example, if you watch funny videos more often, you will see more content like that here. It's just like the Explore tab on YouTube. Alright, the next menu item is Discover, and this is where you can see trending hashtags and popular content tagged with each of those hashtags. And as you can see here, it's also showing how many times this hashtag has been used. And by the way, on the top, you also get a search bar where you may search the user handle or name. Also, just like Snapcode, TikTok also provides tick code, which you can scan here to find and follow any user. Let's search for something here and see how it works. Well, this is my profile. If you wish, you may follow me by tapping here. But for that, you need to sign up for the TikTok user account. Sign up is completely free and you can use any of these options like Facebook, Google, Instagram, Twitter, or simply use your phone or email. Then go through the basic sign up process. It's quite basic and chances are you already have a user account. So I'm not going to waste your time by showing that step by step. Also, I have already got a user account, so I'll go back and log in here. Now let me go back and show you other menu items. Here, if you tap Me, this is your profile page. And once you set up your account and create a few videos, your profile page would look like this. And then there is an inbox menu where you'll get to know who liked your videos or commented on that, who followed you, and things like that. It's just like the notification tab on Facebook or the heart tab on Instagram. And finally, you will see this big plus icon, which is basically your entry gate to the huge world of TikTok marketing. In other words, this is where you'll create videos or select and upload your pre-recorded content from the phone gallery or camera roll. Simply press and hold this record button and start creating. Let me show you how. Hey, what's up everyone, Rahul here from learndigital.com, and I'm creating a video about how to use TikTok for video marketing. If you want to learn that, visit my profile and follow me or simply comment below this video. I'll let you know once the video is live. Thanks for watching. Alright, now select this video and let's upload it. You can also edit and adjust your content in TikTok itself. You don't need any third-party video editing app. Here, you can play with some cool filters that you like, sound effects, video, and many more. You also get options to add text and stickers. And once done with editing, you can publish the video. But before you hit the post button, add a short description and some relevant hashtags. Adding hashtags is very crucial because this is how you get seen to the right people. Think about your ideal audience, what hashtags they might be following, but make sure it's relevant to your video content as well. Otherwise, that would create a bad user experience. Alright, now hit the post button and within a few seconds, your video will be live and publicly seen by others. So that is how you can use TikTok as a beginner and create TikTok videos. But how do you create your TikTok marketing plan? When it comes to the type of videos I create for TikTok, I create informational videos more often. However, since your business goals are completely different from mine, so I recommend a better option for analyzing and creating your own TikTok marketing plan. First, go to the Discover page and follow some popular hashtags relevant to your business. The reason why this is important is, when you follow these hashtags, you will see content relevant to this. And by the way, don't just consume the content. Notice how those creators are marketing their business. Think of how you can do it for your business. Once you get an idea, you can create a TikTok marketing plan and start creating your own TikTok videos. And once you create 8 to 10 TikTok videos, you'll be able to analyze what's working for you and what doesn't. But if you ask me how TikTok algorithms work, I would say create engaging content and TikTok will promote you more. The organic reach on TikTok is amazing. The platform is hungry for more content. If you provide engaging content, you will win on TikTok. Currently, I have a very low follower count, but my content reaches up to 10 times more than my followers, which is truly amazing. Alright, now moving forward, as promised at the beginning of this video, let me tell you how to get featured on the TikTok homepage. A lot of people don't know that TikTok has an official page that provides all the info about how to get featured on TikTok. Simply open TikTok and go to the Discover page. Then start swiping. And then tap and open this. Here you get guidelines to get featured on TikTok. Number 1. Videos must be original. Don't pirate. That means you should be the original creator of the video. You can't just copy from other sources and upload. Number 2. Videos must be longer than 7 seconds. Make sure your video is complete. Videos that stop halfway barely get chances to be featured. In other words, if you are creating 15 seconds or 60 seconds long videos, you are fine and need not worry. Number 3. Join trending hashtags as often as possible. As I already mentioned earlier, hashtags are very crucial for TikTok growth and you should choose it wisely. But what's even better is, participate in trending hashtags and campaigns. Like hashtag work from home is one of the most trendy hashtags after the coronavirus outbreak. Number 4. Don't upload videos with logo or watermark or filter or stickers from other apps. As you can see, TikTok wants you to use its built-in editor. And that is quite understandable because the more people use it, the more they will remain within the app and ultimately helping TikTok show you more ads. Number 5. Bring your friends, family or significant other to shoot videos together. Videos with more people are more visually appealing. Well, I don't agree with this one. If anyone from TikTok offices is watching this, please take a note. Anyways, number 6. Show your unique talent. The more unusual talent you show, the bigger the chances you will get featured. And that's true. People on TikTok are on TikTok because they want to be entertained. You simply need to entertain them. Number 7. Shoot your videos outdoors. The videos with good lighting or good views are absolutely more eye-catching. And that's true with any video. Video is all about light. Needless to say, the better your video quality, the more chances of people liking it. So that is how you get featured on TikTok. If you are still on the fence of deciding whether you should start TikTok marketing, then don't think, just get started. And if you need help with TikTok marketing, let me know in the comments below, I'll be happy to help. Also, I have got a free TikTok marketing checklist for you. Visit tiktokforbusinessleads.com to download your free checklist. And before you go, the question of the day. How are you using TikTok for your business marketing? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. By the way, don't forget to follow me on TikTok with the user handle @LearnDigital with Rahul. Thanks for watching. I'm Rahul signing off, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay motivated, stay creative, and feel proud to be #DigitalLearner.